Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2014 Chevy Captiva Sport. This one's red. Under the hood's a 2.4 four-cylinder. For wheels we've got 5-spoke alloy wheels. A black and gray cloth interior. Coming around back, we've got our Captiva emblem. Clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats. Coming up front here, we've got power windows, power seats. Hopping in here, we've got our steering wheel controls. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Got our radio, climate control, automatic transmission. The Chevy has 116,686 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this Chevy, check out feldmanimports.com.